want you to keep your left knee lifted and float your right arm up as well. So we might be a bit wobbly. Take the left arm out a bit wider if you need to. You're going to take the right arm up and above the head, reaching all the way to the wall behind you, and you're going to point through your big toe. Stretch your weight, it's not going to the floor. From there, bring the knee back in towards the chest, take the right arm all the way down to the floor. Now getting in breath, I want you to lead, so when we think about these fascia chains, we think about a 3D cobweb, which has got some thick lines in it as well, and there are fascia lines. I want you to think from that left big toe to your middle finger on the right hand. Reach through, stretch, soften the ribs, and back. And we go for 2 more. Let the other shoulder relax, reach. So you might feel a little bit wobbly here. This is where the strength bit comes in. Core. And 1 more. And release. Lower down. Float the right knee up now. And bring the left arm up. And we'll do exactly the same. Middle finger, left hand, big toe, right foot, stretch. Now you keep the pelvis drawn down, the ribs are soft, slowly coming back. You're happy closing your eyes, do. The knee comes into the chest, that's absolutely fine. Just gives a bit more sort of a tilt, posterior tilt, a bit more compression. Always listening to the body, so we know with anything we don't want to feel any nerve pain, any shooty pain, anything that doesn't feel right. You know, you can adjust yourself, or you can just bring yourself right off the roller. When we're using the balls, we can just move the trigger point balls into another area. Let's go for 2 more. Get that reach. So I'm very aware I'm using my right hand as well to stop me wobbling all the way off. And last one. And from there, reach. And lower down. Well done. Let the legs relax. Yes, you may be quite aware of your inner thighs as well. Now, bringing your right knee up, reverse tabletop, and I want you to do some circles. So I want you to bring the knee in, and then take the knee out, stretch the leg away. So I'm just working around that right sort of hip area, ball and socket joint. You can do circles, you can imagine you're doing your figure eights, you've all done these before. We can do them on the rollers, sometimes we do them on the trigger point balls. You could do your name, anything for me to just get you moving through those hips.